Hello there, divers. This is Bella, and today we are going to explore your Dive AI Meetings dashboard. So, you're about to unlock better and more productive meetings with all of our amazing features. In this video, we'll guide you through key features like accessing meeting recordings, summaries, action items, searching meetings, setting up integrations, setting up your automations, and customizing Dive for your team. So, let's get started. First of all, we have our Meetings tab. Here you can view all of the meetings on your calendar if you've connected your calendar with Outlook or with your Google Calendar. By clicking on a meeting in the future, you can access the agendas, notes from related meetings, and tasks associated with that meeting. Here you can also build out an agenda for that upcoming meeting. And when you're ready to start your meeting in Google Meet or Zoom, you can just click Join in the top right. For more on how to use the Dive AI bot to record meetings, check out our other videos on Dive AI and Google Meet and Dive AI and Zoom. So let's circle back to our next tab, Recordings. Here you will find recordings of past meetings where the Dive AI bot was present and recording. Now you can click on each meeting to see your AI summary at the top, your AI generated action items, the original agenda and notes, and the video recording and transcript on the right side. You can share the recaps in email or Slack, or you can export to Google Docs and Notion if you have those integrations set up. So let's explore the other tabs in the Dive app. In the Tasks tab, you can edit and view all the action items assigned to you or by you. You can also add action items and change due dates as needed. Now, when you click Search, you can sift through all of your meeting transcripts with ease. You can search for literally everything. You can search for agendas, participants, words that might have come up during a meeting, and the transcript will pop up. Moving on to automations. Here you can update your settings for meeting assistance and notification by choosing who receives meeting recaps, who gets asked for meeting input and feedback, and you can also set task reminders. Now, this is a super important one. Dive works where you work to make your entire workflow easier. So you can set up your integrations with your favorite tools in the Integrations tab. These integrations will allow you to easily edit agendas from calendar events, invite the Dive AI bot to your meeting, and send out meeting recaps and action items automatically. You can learn more about all of our integrations in our help doc or just ask our team, but there's loads to choose from, and anything that we don't have yet, you can always request the integration, and we're working on getting it to you as fast as possible. You can customize your workspace setting like profile, members, billing, and more in the settings section. And of course, you can invite your team with your team link and your workspace code by clicking invites. And then, as always, if you need any help, click on help, open up the live support chat, and we are here to support you in your Dive journey. And really, that's just the tip of the iceberg. So for more info, as I said, check out our help docs, drop a message to our support team. And most importantly, happy diving, and we hope you enjoy more productive and aligned meetings with your team.